So today we are making prawn chowmein. For that I have to boil the noodles. I have taken 400 grams of noodles. I will boil it in 1 liter water. I'm also going to add some oil and salt, and I'm going to boil the noodles. The instructions are already given in the packet. You should follow the instructions accordingly, which is mentioned in the packet. I'm just going to boil this noodles for 8 to 10 minutes till it's completely done, and I'm going to take it out. Also, in a pot, I have added the prawns. I'm going to fry it. I have added some ginger garlic paste to it. I'm going to fry it. And this is half cup of cabbage and half cup of carrots, which I've chopped very finely. I'm going to stir fry them on a medium flame. So now you can see I'm frying them in a medium flame. And for the sauce, I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 to 3 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons chili garlic sauce, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to add these spices all in the stir fry vegetables and the prawns. In a pot, I've added 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I'm going to let it brown for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add the prawns and the stir fried vegetables and the sauces that I have prepared. I'm going to mix it all together, and after I'm going to let it fry for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to add the noodles, and just I'm going to leave it for 7 minutes to cook, and then I'm going to close the flame. So the noodles are ready like that. They look like that, and they're very delicious to eat. You can give it a try and subscribe to my channel and share this amazing recipe, guys.